Good morning to you and welcome to Brownlows Cars in Darlington on this sunny Friday morning. Fantastic Ford Ranger in grey. It's the bi-turbo diesel, 92,000 miles, full service history, but don't let the mileage put you off. It's had minimal commercial use, so the car is in lovely condition. 18,995. Let me show you the cabin. Fantastic condition, this car. It is a commercial vehicle, but the Ford Ranger now, they're turning into more of a lifestyle vehicle. This, like I said to you, has had minimal commercial use, so the seats are lovely, all unmarked, front and rear. Full leather interior. It's the automatic gearbox, satellite navigation, Bluetooth, everything you'd expect. Air conditioning, multifunctional steering wheels, you can control all your bits and pieces. It's got a reversing camera and parking sensors around the vehicle. As mentioned to you, minimal commercial use. You can see the back of the truck, it's in lovely condition. Tow bar on the back with the full electrics. As we move around the side of the truck, you'll see it's got the side steps, which add to the aesthetic of the car. Rear privacy glass, contrasting wing mirrors, so it really is nice. It's got a full service history, comes with 12 months MOT, no advisories, and a new oil and filter service. If you are interested in the vehicle, contact me, Matthew, on 01325 484 870. Make sure you contact me, I'll give you the best deal.
Thank you.
Welcome to Brownlows Cars. If you're looking for great savings on quality used cars, be sure to like, subscribe, for more updates on our latest stock and amazing deals. Join the Brownlows Cars family today.
Brownlows Cars, the name you can trust. 351 Haughton Road, Darlington, DO1 2BP 01325 484 870.